This is the practice test for measurements, and we're looking at problem number 9. And it says, Handles and Things is a small enterprise company buying new carpet for their office room. The room is 12 feet wide by 30 feet long. The carpeting is sold only in square yards. How many square yards of carpeting will they need? Round your answer to the nearest tenth of a square yard. And we're given the area. The formula for the area of a rectangle is the length times the width. So I've drawn the room here with the width that's given to us of 12 feet and the length of 30 feet. And so we need to multiply these two dimensions to get the area of the rectangle, the area of the room. When we do that, we end up with 360 square feet. And we're told that the carpeting is sold only in square yards. So what we have to do is convert the square feet now to square yards. And we are dealing with 2 US units of measure. We want to find a formula that will convert square feet to square yards. So we're going to go over to our formula sheet, and we're dealing with US units only, and we're dealing with area. So we're going to look in this section of the chart, and we have a formula right here. 1 square yard is equal to 9 square feet. That's the formula that we're going to use. And so we go back to our problem, and we take that formula. 1 square yard is equal to 9 square feet. We set it up as a ratio here, 1 over the other, and then we're going to solve using a proportion. So on this side of the proportion, we are going to take the area in square feet and put that on the bottom, because we have square feet over here on the bottom, and we're going to solve for the square yards on the top. And once we get the proportion set up in this way, we look at the two numbers across from one another, 1 and 360, and we multiply those numbers, and then we divide by the leftover number, and we end up with 40 square yards, which is our answer.